Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are in the kitchen. So welcome to my bright and sunny kitchen on Wednesday, December 11th. It's so nice to see the sun. It was pretty cold this morning. I think it felt like 15 degrees or something with the wind chill, but I got my walk in, so I'm still keeping up with my daily exercise, at least on the weekdays when I walk my daughter to school. So that felt good. It's nice to see the sun. I think it's going to warm up into the 40s today. Woohoo! It's going to feel good. And today is my little niece's birthday, second birthday. So happy birthday to Noella. And it is Wednesday. So in the regular Fly Lady system, it is Anti-Procrastination Day. So if you have anything that's been lingering and you want to just get it taken care of, today is your motivation just to do it. Cross it off your list, no more procrastinating, and you'll feel so much better once it's done. And then if you're following along with our Fly Lady Cruising Through the Holidays missions, we're on to the Super Cruising mission. So it's the 3 weeks leading up to Christmas, and it doesn't matter what we've done in the past, just jump in where we are today, and you can always get started and still be doing just fine. So she actually gives us 2 options for today for mission number 8. So one of them is, I'm looking at my notes in my holiday control journal, so if you haven't printed that out, you could do that today. One option for mission number 8 is if you're having guests come stay with you this holiday season at some point, to just make sure you have everything in order for what they need. So any linens, any extra bedding, if you have someone coming that needs like a pack and play or a high chair, something like that, just kind of look ahead, think about what you have coming up, who's staying, what they would require, and try to get those things taken care of today, or at least put them on either your errand list or your home blessing hour list or something, so that you can try and get them taken care of in a few days. Or the other option is, and sorry, let me back up. For both of these missions, she says just do 15 minutes. So don't make this a big project. Just set your timer for 15 minutes and try to get done what you can, and it'll be more than had you not done anything. So that's always good. All right, so then the second option is if you're not having overnight guests stay with you, then take a look at your serving dishes and what you'll need for any holiday meals that you'll be serving. So if there's actual silver that needs to be shined or polished, get that out. If you need to make sure you have the right size platter for a turkey or, some other kind of special dish that needs a certain item, make sure you have that. If you want to start getting those things out, getting them washed if they've been in storage and kind of cleaned up and ready to go, so that when the holiday meal is happening, you can just grab them from whatever shelf they're on or wherever you've stashed them and they'll be clean and ready to go. You can certainly do that today. We are in Zone 2 this week. So Zone 2 is the kitchen if you follow the Fly Lady system. So yesterday I actually did a good clean of the kitchen, finally swept and mopped. It had been far too long for that. My daughter had been playing with some powdered sugar and she made herself a dough and was having all kinds of fun with that over the weekend, but the powdered sugar mess was taking way too long to get cleaned up. So that's all been cleaned. The kitchen feels great. It's all cleaned up. I even got quite a bit of the rest of the house cleaned up yesterday. So I feel like it's good. We can keep going on. The only other things I might do here in Zone 2 in the kitchen is clean the glass on the on the door. There's a little window in the door, or clean the one window that's in this room. And I may wipe down cabinets a little bit. I have been just wiping down spots as I see them in the last couple of weeks. So as I'm cooking in the kitchen, if I see somewhere where some coffee splattered or dirty fingerprints, that kind of thing, I've just been wiping those down as I go. So it's not too bad on the cabinets, but if I have time, I'll do it. If not, it's no big deal. The kitchen's still in good shape. So those are your 2 super cruising missions. Just set your timer for 15 minutes and either work on prepping dishes and getting things in order for your holiday meals, or work on getting things in order for having overnight guests. What was the other thing she said? Oh, and like if you have someone staying and you're going to be using your sofa bed, do you need new sheets or new bedding for that, or new pillows? Just keep all those things in mind so you can get them on your different lists and get things taken care of. So that is your mission for today, Wednesday. It's our super cruising mission number 8. So that means we're halfway through. We have 15 super cruising missions, so we're getting down to the last little bit before Christmas, and it is definitely flying. We're doing the best we can around here to slow down and enjoy things. The first part of this month has been kind of crazy and busy, but now I think it's just going to be a little bit more even paced, and we can enjoy just the little moments here and there. So I hope you're having a great Wednesday wherever you are, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the like button so you can catch the next video as it comes up each day, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. So have a good one, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.